The first part of this animation tells about how life was formed, first by showing very basically how molecules, replicators, and then simple organisms are formed. These atoms moved into an unstable configuration, and therefore they soon fell apart. The same happened to these atoms. These atoms formed a stable configuration, which we can now call a molecule. A spherical shape, like a bubble, is stable. That is why bubbles are always spheres. A water molecule consists of atoms that are in a stable configuration also. This molecule, like a bubble, has no way to reproduce, and eventually will fall apart. The only way another molecule like it could be created is if the atoms happen to fall into the same exact configuration, just by chance. Stable molecules eventually connected, and at some point created the first replicator, by chance. One can consider the replicator the common ancestor of every living thing on Earth, although it itself was not exactly living. The replicator was the first thing that could reproduce. Its form of reproduction was to make exact copies of itself to have a simple membrane around it from the surrounding molecules. These next two have developed ways to move. Just like how this is where they branch off into two living things, animals and plants. The most significant difference between plants and animals is movement. Than the original. Animals can move great distances in a very short amount of time. Plants, on the other hand, may only be able to move, except for a few exceptions, a few centimeters every day.